Nope, makes no difference. Little bit. Okay, walk away. Next dog. Nice loose leash. Very good. Excellent. I'll go do it again. No, we don't do it a second time. Okay.
That was good.
There you go. Good. Beautiful. Okay, this time when you go over, you can do it off leash if you want. And I want you on the opposite side of whatever you were on before. Name it as you approach it. Make sure you call it something. This is if you want to take the leash off, you may. So Xanadu, settle down. Whoops, okay. Don't walk off. Talk to him. Dash.
Yes, sir.
Go get him.
Yes, sir.
Go to him, get him over his collar. That's it, good, okay. Okay, so his leash back on him. He's showing he's not quite ready to do this. Gonna give him a draw. Okay, take him to the other end. Step on this end. And do it off leash, on leash, with you on this side of the dog walk. Okay? And tell him what to do before he gets there. Good. Good. That's a better touch. Okay, let him walk off. Okay. You still have to work on your contacts at the bottom. You want to do that a little bit. Next dog. It's going to be on leash or off leash. You have to be on the opposite side.